Happy New Year! I'm your new friend on YouTube, the Butterfly Pirate. I only have one chance to meet you for the first time. I only have one chance to make a first impression. I want to make a good impression to you. I'm going to do a trick shot in my kayak. Check it out. It's going to be very difficult. Going to hit the white ball into the back corner by the parrot. And it's going to knock the yellow ball into this corner by the octopus. You know how many times it's going to take me to do this? Never done it before. It's going to take as many times as it takes to make the shot for you. I am going to use a broken compass to help me make the shot. Let's see if it works. I got it! Oh my God, I got it on the second try. I am so happy. Oh, I thought it would take 100 times. Check out my kayak. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I thought it would take 100 tries. Oh my God, I got it on the second try. Woo! This is my ride. The kayak. My other ride is the Black Pearl. I can't believe I made the shot. But if I pirate, I made the shot. I made the shot on the second try. My first impression. I hope I did a good job.